Hello, sir. Hope you're fine and doing good. So, I have read all your requirements that you need from your site. So, you are a pet lover, and I also, this is me, Mohammad Munzil Aminoni, also a pet lover and a seasoned web designer, web development, and digital marketing strategist. Why I am good at all three niches and all three different niches as because I have mentored almost 100 plus students who are doing good at freelancing and doing things so many in a diplomatic way. And I'll show you. So this is my last project, pizzathewali.com. We have done one plus more years doing site creation and all the things. So as you can see, the it's a basic site, but for the Italians, love the design. And the good thing, if you search on best pizza in Dhaka, then you will see our hard efforts after 1 year have shown in the organic search field. And what I have prepared a plan for you, I can explain to you and show you. So as you can see, so this is the site I have chosen from you for you. So here is the site's overview. This will be the ideal site like this one: home, about, your services list, your page, your team, gallery, pricing, FAQ, and adopt now. Instead of adopt now, this will be that book now. So anyone can book your services, and like food, like Pizza the Wali, customer can book their pizza from their website. It's pizzathewali.com. Then see menu and order. So as you can see, the menu shows up. I need extra cheese. Add to cart. So contact, ordering method, time choice, payment method. After all the submission, the order delivery placed, and the sites all the ordering information will show up in the order platform, where we can get all the necessary information from the customer side. So this is the ideal, not relevant with your services, but this is the ideal what I have. And I have a good team who can manage all of the things done. Since I am a good web designer, developer, and SEO expert, I know how to things done in a proper dynamic way, not only in the field of WordPress but also in the other platform, also in the other programming language such as Laravel and so on. So if you need any kinds of development relevant help, you don't have to hire other person. And I will also try my best for the lead generation services, so that you can bring so many leads for your site, and you know getting so much money. So I have done similar projects for a Los Angeles based seasoned web design and web development and 360-degree marketing solution agency called Dino Godale. Mr. Walter was my chief executive. So he was the person behind, uh, who were a such diplomatic creative agency person. I worked for him. I worked